Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining exactly what I Am Baguette is: account, file, or asset, then secure credentials and a device. Once identified, check two-factor methods and backup locations. You need them ready before changes. Make a quick permission list so you know whether to request owner access or escalate. Don't waste time on generic setup. Collect the specific tokens, emails, receipts, or ID now, because missing one will halt the process later. Now you move into the core process. Access the platform using a clean profile and the credentials prepared earlier. Navigate directly to the asset location, dashboard assets, then locate the exact I Am Baguette entry and use the platform's export or claim function. During export, watch progress and confirm file hashes or ownership markers. Once done, transfer to your backup storage and tag it clearly. If any step fails, stop and log the exact error. Finish by applying correct permissions, updating internal records, and confirming the transfer or claim is successful. Then test access from a different device to ensure there are no session or cache issues. If something goes wrong, you'll want one clear troubleshooting approach. Capture any error codes or messages, clear browser cache, retry in incognito, and reattempt the export. If that fails, contact the owner or platform support with your logs. Make sure to include timestamps and steps taken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.